Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a short bit of code. Basically we're going to use the split function. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a subroutine called split function. Okay. I'm going to create my scalar string. I'm going to put some countries in it: UK, USA, France, Germany, Holland, etc. Okay, now I'm going to create an array. I'm going to assign that to split. I'm going to split the string in the array. Right, now we're going to print this out using a for each loop. And I'm going to use this special variable here to iterate over the array. And then we're going to print out each element now that's stored in that array. We're going to do that by saying print and the new line character. Okay, now we're just going to call it with split function. Right, let's just save that. Let's just run the program. There you go. It split it and printed it out on a new line: UK, USA, France, Germany, Holland. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you've not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and give it a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.